welcome back to my channel, Elementary in the City. My name is Melanie and I'm going to be a 7th year second grade teacher in a major city in Pennsylvania. And today I'm going to do a quick DIY project for my classroom. If you watch my other videos, you know that I was feeling a homier vibe for my classroom this year. And so I made a wreath. Oh, it's so cute! I made this wreath to put on my door as the kids come in to start that homey feel off. So if you are interested in learning more about how I made this wreath, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so what you see here is the wreath form that I got from Dollar Tree, along with all of the florals I got from Dollar Tree. Now, I did not end up using all of them. You can pick whichever colors, whichever themes that you want. These are just the ones I thought that were pretty. I also have a wire cutter. It's easier to cut the flowers using those, as you see here. I'm just taking the flowers and cutting them away from the bunched up part at the bottom because it's easier for me to then maneuver with those. Fun fact about me, my favorite flower is the sunflower, which is why I picked it. So here you see that these flowers now are very bendable and I can mold them, the stems, in any direction I want. So I'm just trying to wrap it around the wreath form, but that wasn't working. So yes, I did go ahead and use a styrofoam wreath form instead. And this was also at the Dollar Tree right next to the other form. So this way I could just stick the flowers right in and it is hassle-free for me. What I did was cut the flowers even shorter as I stuck them in. And even though they're still too long and they go straight through, you'll see later on when I turn it around and just trim off the bottoms and the back. I have no rhyme or reason for how I'm putting these flowers in. I'm just doing random flowers, whatever fits, whatever looks nice. If I have to change it around, I do so. And again, I'm just trimming those flowers down shorter and just sticking them in. Give me a big thumbs up down below if you like these colors so far. Look at these sunflowers. They are so cute. The ones with the burlap on it. Yes. If you can still see the inside green foam, just stick more flowers on the inside. If you have fake leaves, you can also stick those inside. I chose not to do that this time because I thought it was pretty full already, but you can always stick fake leaves or other fake beading around the empty spaces. It's okay if the back is still exposed because no one's going to see the back once it's hanging up on the door. But again, if you really feel like you want to cover it up, go ahead and just use some leaves. You can even use the leaves from the stems of the flowers and just hot glue it back there. If you want your flowers to feel more secure in the styrofoam wreath form, hot glue that as well. Mine were pretty secure and it's going to be pretty high up, so I didn't feel like I needed to hot glue them this time. Back here, I am trimming down some of those longer stems and just folding them over so that they won't be poking the door and maybe unleveling my wreath. And I am all done. Look at it. She turned out beautiful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Remember, I got all of those items from the Dollar Tree. This does not have to be an expensive project. I hope you try something out like this. If you do, please send me pictures. DM me on Instagram at Elementary in the City. I can't wait to see them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for notifications of my next videos, and I hope to see you there. Bye!